right, take two. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome to the BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo special graduation 2020 graduation commencement speech or something like that. No, that's stupid. Hey, what's up? Hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. I would like to send a special congratulations to the graduates of 2020. I don't know why you chose me to be your keynote speaker, but I want to tell you I'm honored, and I hope I can impart some wisdom to you on this very special day. So today's Ojibwe word of the day. Owenen Ajigwaena. What now? Owenen Ajigwaena. So you've graduated and you're probably thinking to yourself, what now? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't that long ago I was graduating myself. Okay, it was a long time ago. But today I would like to impart some wisdom as an elder to you now that you're going to be heading out and starting your life. A very wise man once said, what did a wise man once say? Never, always keep a garbage bag in your car. If it fills up, you can just throw it out the window. No, I'm just kidding. I stole that from Steve Martin. He said, opinions are like butts. Everybody has one, and they all stink. Nah. But unlike the butt, your opinions should be examined very closely. And, school has a way of making us form opinions. But it doesn't have a good way. Actually, sometimes it does. If you went to a good school, you probably had your opinions challenged. You probably started school with some opinions, and now you're leaving with new opinions. Well, let me tell you, you're not done. Your opinions are going to continue to change, even about what you want. Everyone goes to school. Like if you're graduating from college this year, you're like, oh, I'm going to go major in whatever because I really want to be a teacher. Oh, it's my dream. Well, that opinion may change. Believe it or not. But to the high schoolers, here's something about what you're doing here. If you went to college, it's too late. Because, you already went to college. But high school graduates, everyone's asking you, oh, what college are you going to go to? Because you must, first get into debt and get a degree, and then you can pursue whatever it is you want. Because whatever you want must be some sort of job. But what you're actually doing is creating not just a life for yourself, but you're creating who you want to be. Think about it. Who do you want to be? What kind of a person do you want to be? Don't just think, oh, what kind of job do I want? There's a path to a lot of jobs. Oh, I'm going to be a police officer. Well, that's fine. Here's the application. We can get you a little outfit and a gun. if you go take enough classes and you jump through these hoops, you too can be called officer or whatever. But what kind of a police officer will you be? Will be determined by what kind of a person you are. So think about, what kind of a person do I want to be? You know, you probably invited me to be your keynote speaker because you looked up to me. And yes, I have become very successful in my life. Not because I've become an overnight hundredaire. I mean, it is true, I have hundreds of dollars. I'm not bragging, I want to inspire you. And not just because I have over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I'm rich and I'm famous. But also because I got a hot girlfriend. Nah. What were they talking about? I'm just bragging about myself. I lost my train. Oh, who do you want to be? Think about who you want to be, and realize you get to be who you want to be, not by being against who you don't want to be. You know, there's a lot of people out there, oh, I'm against this thing, I'm anti whatever. That's who I am. That's what makes who I am. But when you're anti everything, then you're just negative. Try to be pro something. Be really excited about something. Say, oh, this thing is really great. I just love this thing. You know? Oh, I really love music. You know, people used to, you know, a buddy of mine asked, what kind of music do you like? He goes, well, I'll tell you what I don't like. I hate today's modern music. Oh, I hate rap music. Oh, I hate that. It's like, yeah, okay. But what do you like? Nobody wants to hear about what you don't like. Oh, I really hate this thing, so anyway, this is long enough. Graduates, congratulations. You just got through a major chapter in your life. And I wish you the best of luck in what you pursue, and I hope you pursue something positive. Otherwise, I'm gonna head out, okay? Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minowa, hoa. Thanks. Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from the dark, cold hotel room. In the endlessness that you feel, you pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. Hey everybody, won't you be an angel to these animals? But if you want to support the show, you can click the link and become a Patreon supporter. And Patreon supporters get, for $5 a month, you
get this cartoon by Michael Lyons. And for $10 a month, you can get this like snow on skin. And it's a Nanaboozhoo coffee table book. And otherwise, leave us a tip on PayPal. Yeah. All right. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You pull from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Oh,
That was beautiful.
yeah.
And by the way, I'm not really Sarah McLachlan. Whatever her name was.